Are you ready, Luke?
Yeah.
All right, sing for us. Sing the Lord's Prayer.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver from evil. Thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever. Amen.
All right, good job.
Let's see it.